Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing the weird combinations challenge, but only on me. So
I'm gonna come up, we're gonna blindfold him, I'm gonna go around and pick different combinations, different foods, and then he'll try and guess it, and then also have to eat it too.
Scary, but I'm ready, so be blindfolded. Let's go.
Yay!
So, I'm blindfolded, I can't see anything, I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, so first I'm just gonna show the actual food.
Okay.
And then...
This is nervous because she's done some pretty weird things in the past, like in the What's in My Mouth challenge, so I don't know what I'm up against.
I'm only gonna do like a little bit though, so okay. It's not gonna be like wasting anything. Okay.
Start from my mouth.
This is a spoon. Okay. Okay, try it. Oh, no. You have to go in. It's like it's like cereal, basically.
Did I get some?
Yeah. Okay. No, you have to eat those.
Oh! What in the world? That is not good. That tastes like throw up.
Wait, really? Okay, open.
Ew!
Wait, why? This is such a bad angle. Oh, good. So what do you think it is?
Okay. Milk. And some kind of weird, like, snack that has, like, cheddar bunnies? Cheez-Its?
Okay. Can I show you?
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
look.
oh, wait. Am I not supposed to see everything else?
Just look at over here.
Oh, goldfish. I knew it was something with, like, some weird...
Goldfish cereal.
Where's my wire? There it is. That tasted like throw up.
Really?
Like the milk and the powder of whatever was on there combined.
Okay, next up. It's nice because you can't even smell it either.
Oh no.
Because you're congested.
No. Yeah, I'm really congested here because it's like spring and I'm getting bad allergies, so can't even smell it. Should I take anything?
No. I think you're gonna hear it.
So you want me to just like...
Yeah, cover your ears.
Huh?
Cover your ears.
Okay, tell me when to take them out. Okay. Oh no. Oh no.
Ready? Go harder. Okay.
No!
You want another bite?
No. Okay. Is that mustard? And Pop-Tart things?
Yay, you got it!
Oh my god.
Here, do you want a normal Pop-Tart to make it better?
Swear it's normal?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Okay.
Oh my god, that was so bad.
I guess we'll just try one on the... don't even know what this is.
What the heck?
What is it?
Ew.
What is it?
What in the world was that?
Can you guess?
I can't even guess. Wait. Chili powder?
No.
Paprika?
No.
Okay, just tell me.
It was a raspberry and there was this weird Korean thing.
What was it called? What's it called?
I don't know.
I don't even know what it's called.
Look at it.
Wait, let me see it. That's hot pepper paste for sashimi.
Was it not that hot?
Mm-mm.
I was worried it would be too hot, so I didn't put that much in it.
No, it tasted like chili powder.
Good to know.
Okay.
Okay.
I knew it was some kind of fruit. I just didn't. I thought it was blueberry.
This one's not going to be that bad, so. It was like
you don't even know what it is.
I was like, I don't even want any of it.
Where is she?
Ready? Open. Biggie. Biggie.
Okay, it's not that bad,
Yeah, but what is it?
but it's weird. It's a carrot and cottage cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Good. All right. Making the next thing. I have 2 more at my sleeve. I'm gonna make actually both. Let me cut you off a nice little slice.
Oh no, it's a slice.
Okay, ready? Open. Bigger.
Oh, somebody just dripped on me.
Okay, ready?
Ugh.
Open.
Mm. What in the?
Good?
No. Can you get me that one?
Why?
Because it's like stuff on me.
Okay, you have to try another bite because I felt like that.
No.
No, but you didn't get the full thing.
Wait, give me that pen.
Here.
No paper towel.
Okay, ready?
No. I actually don't know either of them were.
Good?
No.
What is it?
What kind of bread? Is that pickle? like relish or something. Relish. And what kind of cake? No. Some kind of cake. I'm guessing like, okay, I don't know the stomach. Relish and
Relish, balsamic,
no, there's balsamic in there too.
cookie butter, and a sandwich.
Ooh, that was bread.
Yeah.
Ew, oh my god, that was so bad. And there's something sweet in there. That was the cookie butter then.
Yeah, because that was like the odd combo, you know?
Yeah. Oh god, that was so bad.
I don't even know what this is, but I'm hoping it makes it to me, so.
Oh no, he probably picked something horrible for me. Wait, you don't know what it is?
No.
So can you just like read the label or something?
No, I don't know what it is, but I know what it is, you know?
Okay, no, well, I don't know, but we'll find out when I eat it. I might know what it is as I know the things he eats.
I don't think he eats this. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
It smells weird.
Okay, ready? You can smell it?
Oh my god. That's horrible. What the heck?
What did you think it was?
Saltine cracker?
Yeah, you got that one.
Peanut butter?
Yeah.
Okay, that sour thing. What in the world was that?
Wait, what's sour?
There was like the cracker, and then some like peanut butter, and then this weird like sour taste. That was like.
I don't know which one is the sour taste because we have.
Okay,
You
tell
can
me.
unblindfold yourself because this is it. So we have.
Oh, that's not like okay. Oh my.
And this.
Malt. Wait, that's what that was.
I don't know what's
it was
sour.
just.
It was malted milk, this peanut butter powder, and then the balsamic on a cracker.
It was that. It was sour then. It was the balsamic.
Does this literally just taste like milk? I thought it was like
No, it doesn't. Malt's actually pretty good. Like sometimes I would like when we cook with it, I'll like eat some on a spoon.
Like who eats?
Like this is good.
Do you like this? You don't,
I don't like relish.
I thought you like pickles.
I like pickles by themselves, not in relish.
Okay, one more.
And I don't like peanut butter. It's actually
Okay, one more.
Okay, fine.
Blindfold. I had an idea when you were speaking.
When I was what?
When you were talking.
Did you say when I was sleeping?
No, when you were talking. Okay, cool.
Put it
Blindfold.
on us.
No, I make it.
Oh, okay. Wait, I'm not looking.
Okay.
Are you like reusing things we already used?
Maybe.
Okay, the last one was the worst.
Really? It was the balsamic.
Yeah, I hate balsamic.
Okay, ready?
It's like balsamic and peanut
Bon
butter.
appetit!
Spit on me.
I did?
Yeah.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
I wasn't even...
He said bon appetit and then spit on me.
Open. Open.
I am. Wow, you put the relish again. Mean.
Good?
That's relishing pastry crisp, or not pastry crisp, the Pop Tart.
Yeah.
No. No, I'm running out of water.
Okay, you could unblindfold yourself.
You had to do that last one, didn't you?
Yeah.
Because I don't like relish.
That's why I said I had an idea. I had an idea when you were speaking.
I think no one should ever try any of these because they were horrible, all of them.
Thank you to Sean for being a good sport.
Thank you for Kiki for
Creativity.
making it interesting for you, but for me, torturing me. So
He's being dramatic. Okay.
So thank you for
watching.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.